Hello everyone, happy Saturday and welcome back to Home and Creativity with Monique. Today's video is of me harvesting some of the corn off my corn stalks. Some of the corn was ready and some were not. When I just did a little research about when to know when corn is ready to be harvested, I read that the corn in most cases should be ready to be harvested when the tassel part of the corn has turned brown, and also if the corn, just by feeling it, that you can feel like the lumps and bumps of each corn kernel inside of the husk. So we harvested what we thought was ready, and I would leave the others on the stalks for another maybe week or two, just to see if they will progress and grow any bigger. And I also did a little corn kernel test where you squeeze one of the corn kernels to see if it produces the milk. And of all the corns that I harvested, I was able to see the corn milk that came from the kernel. So you will see that towards the end of this video that I did do that. So just showing you peeling back one of the corns to see how mature it is, and it appears to be mature. I do see towards the top portion of the corn that it didn't produce kernels, or it didn't, the kernels at the top portion of the corn didn't mature like expected. But I still think, by this being my first time planting corn and me harvesting the corn, that I think it did pretty well growing. So just showing you my progress, my final progress on my corn and how my corn came out. And I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video.
might develop it.